screaming! Stop screaming! That's how he hears you. Oh my god. Look, I never thought I would be doing this. Oh my god! No, I got stuck. I got Sterling beans. I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea. She died. She quit the game. She quit the game. I'm scared, but I like being scared because it's just kind of fun. Why would you do that? Can you revive me, please? I was gonna revive you if he was next to me. Alright. If Gerald the red-nosed reindeer wasn't next to me, then I would've killed you by now. I mean, totally, I did not say I would kill you. No, I didn't say that. I said, I wouldn't kill you if you stepped. Wow, what the, why? What the WTF? Nah, me angry now. Me angry. Alright. What do you mean? What do you mean this thing? Oh, I get what you're talking about now. Why are you eating a carrot? Because I know how a carrot sounds. And that is exactly what. That's because I used to eat carrots when I was a kid. Now I don't, which I still am. Oh my god. What? We all can tell what a carrot sounds like. What are we talking about? Have you not even tried a carrot before? Jesus Christ, you need to go back up your mom. Hold real quick and what? That explains why you're playing on a Steam Deck. Wait, hold up. I got something. I only keep these because I like them. Legendary. You want this, buddy? Wait, eat one
I'm
more.
not even joking. I can send you pictures of them. They're like tiny.
Bro, I can see you.
Give me stick. Give me stick.
Why can we?
Why are flying like that?
Why can't we jump up to your height now? It's like it don't matter how far you go. Bro, she was a fairy. Done.
She was a fairy.
No, not the whole.
Wait, stick.
Oh, I
No.
see you.
Shimmy. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Sorry, she took my Dragon Ball. No, I'm kidding.
No, it's cold. No.
No, come back here.
Can't touch this. Dun.
Give me that stick. Oh no, I'm sorry. Look, I'm sorry that I took Jesse's iPad.
Why is bro's hand so small?
I'm sorry.
Look at that, bro.
What? Okay,
Wait,
how
can I
did
have
you
one of the
know?
small
How
ones?
did you know, bro?
Like the pink broccoli.
Oh my god! Help! I'm safe. He has no idea where I went. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look the other way. Look the other way. The Okay, the other way. Never. Oh my god. Oh my god. R.I.P. to that man, bro. He lived a long and very good life.
Oh, I just
Oh, that's crazy.